In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Gmail app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up App Store. If you cannot find App Store app icon on your home screens, then just swipe down to bring up search and search for the App Store in that way. Once the app is open, tap right here to go to search and then search for Gmail, just like that. That's how we can easily find Gmail app. We need to tap on it first to go to that page. Here, as you can see, we have this open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone. However, if you don't have it installed, here it will say get, or instead of the button here there will be the cloud icon. Just click at get button or at cloud icon to install the app, and when the installation is complete you will be able to open the app by clicking right here, and also it will put Gmail app icon on your home screen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.